And there's 3 national trainers here today in Aruba to deliver a Train the Trainer course to be able to upskill the educators from the Caribbean RADO to be able to go and deliver anti-doping education in their own Caribbean countries. What we strive for is that athletes are educated first before they get that tap on the shoulder from the doping control officer. And to have that opportunity to totally understand what they put into their body is the athlete's own responsibility. And to know that before they are tested, and even to know what happens in a drug test and risk from supplements, and all those issues are so important for an athlete to learn as they progress throughout their athlete pathway, even before they get the tap on the shoulder they're required for a test.
Yeah, I'm so excited to talk about athlete engagement. I cannot thank Aruba and the Caribbean RADO enough for their invitation to come. A big thanks on behalf of the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency, and clean athletes around the world. Educating people and helping these staff members be able to go out and educate athletes is an amazing step towards clean sport, and it's going to ensure that all athletes within the Caribbean are able to compete clean, that they understand the risks associated with using performance-enhancing drugs, and that they're advocates for clean sport. This is the first step to many more education opportunities, whether that be virtually or in person. This is just a great partnership and relationship we've been able to develop over the last 8 years with the Caribbean RADO, and it will only strengthen it and continue it.
And we're here in Aruba for the Educator-Instructor Training Session, which will benefit Caribbean athletes and Caribbean educators. It's very important for the entire region, for the entire world, as members of the Olympic movement, as code signatories, as countries who are state parties to the International Convention Against Doping in Sport. We are obligated to educate our athletes, our athlete support personnel, and even the average citizen on the importance of clean sport, on the importance of maintaining your bodies, on the importance of health. So it is not just about sports and athletes competing clean, it is about public health, it is about mental health, it is about physical health. As you go on the playgrounds as your recreational athlete all the way up to the podium. So clean sport is really about how we view our bodies, how we maintain our health system and longevity if you decide to participate in elite sport. So this training session is really about training educators who will then go back to their countries and spread the information, share the knowledge with teachers, with athlete support personnel, with coaches, with athletes about participating in sport and ensuring that when they do participate, there is not a temptation to take prohibited substance to enhance their performances.